All right, time for some Tuesday birthdays here in the 4 states, and we are going to begin in Parsons with Kennedy Thompson, celebrating number 11. Happy birthday, Kennedy.
And staying in Parsons, Marlo Scott Adamson, celebrating birthday number 12 this year.
And we've got Adeline Norfelice in Joplin, celebrating number 16. It says, "We love you from your family." Happy birthday.
All right, and Mary Norfelice turning number 39 this year. Pretty cool there, sharing a birthday with her daughter Adeline. Both of them, of course, are in Joplin.
And we've got Karen Worley celebrating a birthday in Pittsburgh, and Karen also works at the Bryant Student Health Center at PSU. Happy birthday.
All right, Ron Kissel out in Thayer, Kansas. Happy birthday to you.
And we've got Larry Rogers celebrating number 80 down in Neosho. A very happy birthday to you, Larry.
And our very own Zach Wilson. See him for all your marketing needs here at KOAM. Happy birthday.
All right, what a fantastic list of birthdays, and this one had all pictures, but we want more pictures. We want photos, not Spider-Man, but of people celebrating birthdays and anniversaries. Tanya, where do they need to send them?
All right, and if your little one is dressed up as Spider-Man, that is perfectly all right if you send that in.
I think that makes it better.
Yeah, birthdays, or it doesn't have to be a little one. It could be an adult dressed up as Spider-Man. Why not? Birthdays with an S at KOAMnewsnow.com.
And of course, while you're on our website checking out the latest top stories, weather, and sports, make sure you take time to check out the KOAM Birthday Club. You get some special deals from local businesses. You also get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So head over to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for that birthday club today.